what I've learned from my own transformation. Obesity is not your fault. Overcoming obesity is not easy. Overcoming obesity is not without cost. And I mean not just monetary cost. And more about that later on. I also learned to be very suspicious of advice from anyone who has never been obese. And to ask why, after probably more than 100 years of weight loss plans, why is there still today an epidemic of obesity? My goal is to give you some valuable evidence to enable you to understand how to take control. Will it all make sense to you at the end of this 30 to 40 minutes? I don't expect to turn you into obesity science experts, just to equip you with the tools that enable you to judge for yourself what is best for you.